Hi guys! So welcome to Highway Mine. So this is Doc Kulot. This Highway Mine are my new contents. These are about my thoughts. Welcome to my thoughts and reflections in life. So this will be my episode 4. Sige, let's stick with the episoding na lang. Episoding? Meron ba ganun? So, ano yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon? Yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon bakit was? Pag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung breadwinner. Ay, alam ko, marami sa inyo sumusuporta sa akin because naiintindihan nyo ako bilang isang breadwinner, no? Sa kultura kasi natin, kadalasan, nabibigay yung responsibility sa children. And I totally understand because when our parents became parents, hindi talaga nagkaroon ng mindset na they have to prepare for themselves. What happened was, they were focused to raise their children, leaving themselves parang not prepared for whatever there is in the future. Kaya ang nangyayari, they're expecting now the children to become successful or to subsequently get a job and support them when they grow older. Which is, yun talagang nangyayari. I do not despise me being as a breadwinner. Actually, that's something I have accepted. That was a fate that I accepted when my father passed away. Yung role na yun was given the day my father left us because he passed away. And I knew in my heart I had to step up because there was no one in our family at the time na parang close to getting a job. And it was me because I was already on my 4th year. There's only 1 year kasi mag-internship ako before I become a full-fledged doctor. So alam niyo ba guys, at that time, there was no chance of me backing up or there was no chance of me failing. You know, tinatak ko talaga sa isip ko yun. I should not fail. There is no way for me to fail because there was only one way for me, which is to provide. And I think at some point, it really helped me be focused and really like help me to really like, alam mo yun, be driven. Kasi yun talaga yung literal na bumabangon sa akin at gumigising, yun ang literal na gumigising sa akin para bumangon, you know. As in, if I can recall how difficult the internship was and how even more difficult how more difficult yung board exam, I can say na pwede na akong sumuko. But you know, at that time, walang suko-suko B eh. Talagang padayon ka sis, mag-aral ka sis. Mga pi tayo. Yun pala yung goal ko. Mga pi kasi dito na ako sa town area. Ayoko nang bumaba mamaya. So yun siya guys. Talaga, it was my driving force, you know? And kung wala yun, feeling ko baka nagduha-duha ako. Alam mo ba sa exam, yung iba parang give me knowledge, give me wisdom. Ang prayers ko nung exam ko B kasi Lord, wala ko ibang choice. Ipasa mo ako. Make me pass. I'll do what I can. And please do the rest. Ganun. Wala siyang prayers for wisdom, prayers for discernment. Walang ganun. Sis, the reality was, I prayed, I have to pass the exam. I'll do everything on my capacity, but make me pass the exam. And yeah, it helped. And going back to my thoughts earlier, diba? Ang layo ng mga thoughts ko. Ang thoughts ko naman is that, sana, ako ngayon, dahil doktor na po ako, my husband is a soldier, kung magkaroon ho kami ng mga anak, by God's will and grace, na magkaroon kami ng sarili naming pamilya, pinagdadasal ko po na sana wala maka-experience sa mga anak ko. Kasi mahirap naman talaga guys. Bakit iyak gagawa ng highwayman para umiyak? Uy, no crying. No crying. We should not cry. Kasi mahirap naman talaga. Alam mo yun, minsan kahit gusto mo na siya for yourself, gosh, hindi mo siya mabili kasi may iba kang priority, ganun. Or may gusto kang bagay na gawin, hindi mo siya pwedeng gawin kasi hindi siya yung hindi yun yung nangunguna. Hello, tao naman tayo. We're not perfect. Hindi naman sasabi natin na we're always there for, alam mo yun, there was somehow a part of me that wanted to do something else, but I could not because I cannot afford, but because I had other priority, and the priority was to make sure na there was something to eat, there was something to prepare, there was something for the family. That was really the goal. And yeah, it's not an easy fit, but you know, somewhere we manage, ganon. So, I'm emotional, but I'm not sad. I'm emotional lang. Parang, if I can make sure that the future generation, my brothers, my sister won't have to go through. So, yun. I guess, it's a different, for everyone who is actually a breadwinner. Saludo po ako sa inyo lahat. Kasi it's not an easy task. It's not an easy job, but here we are doing that, diba? So yun. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.